Okay, so these are the three stages in the BOT that build, operate, and transfer, and we have gone through this all the three stages. In build a stage, we are just outsourcing the vendors, then negotiation of operation phase, length of that operation phase, formula of acquisition, and operate phase condition may be there, that 40 people may be there at least working. Then at during transfer phase, that setup, location, operation, legal conditions, all are checked. So once we understand this all the BOT model, we'll go to the next, that is the BOT model pros, that is the advantages. Okay, what are the advantages of this BOT model is there? So there are some advantages. That first is the short setup time. Okay, as sub vending or outsourcing is there, so within the little bit less time, the model can be set up, the work can be set up. Low risk during build time, so no setup fees involved. Pay as you grow the model. This is the one advantageous part, that initial setup fee is not required. Okay, some installation charges and all whatnot. Pay as you grow the model. So once it is decided, if you complete 10 kilometer road work, only 10 kilometer payment is received, is given to you. Is it right? So pay as you grow the model. Low risk during operate time. The vendors will be obligated to agree upon KPIs. Okay, so this is the one of the important part. The vendors will be agreed upon KPIs. Okay, so whatever the KPI, what is meant by KPI? Okay, the vendor will be obligated to agreed upon KPI. What is meant by KPI? KPI is nothing but key performance indicator. So whatever your key performance indicator is there, whatever your performance is there, based on that the further things will be there. No risk of operation in a foreign country. You have to time to prepare for it. So that no risk for operation in foreign country, you have the time to prepare for it. This is the one of the little bit we can say advantageous part, that whatever operation is there in foreign countries, it is not there. Just we have to work here and we have to get time to prepare it. But what are the other parts are there? Short setup time. So once as government is not providing any fund or step by step fund, so initial big amount is not required. So and what are these beauty models are there? These are given to the vendors, those who are experienced in that area. Is it right? So already much more setup is available with them, and less setup time is required. Then low risk during build time, so no fees there. And as your model is increased, model means as your work is increased, as work progresses, you will get the payment, and no sudden payment or no advance payment is required. And one of the important point is that low risk during operating time, that is key performance indicator. If your performance is less, then you can have that you can tell him that no, your performance is less and other things are not possible. So like this uh, things are there. Okay, so BOT is one of the famous model. Most of the time it is used in the government sector. Okay, so that government sector, this is used for many more work. In the case of that large project, uh, generally it is related to large project, typically infrastructure related projects. So whatever the big projects are there, that large projects or infrastructure related projects. So if we take the example of highways and other things, so you'll find that at certain distance that toll booths are there. Okay, and uh, that work is carried out. And if you look at to this BOT, the Adani Group or Reliance Infrastructure is there. These groups are very, very I can say, uh, leading towards this using this BOT model. Okay, so the first the time frame is set these many, and then what are the tolls is there, what are revenue generation is there for the 2 3 decades, that time is given, and then generally it is transfer things, it is given to the um, I can say government, that means to the giving the concession to the particular public. Okay, so whatever the roads are there, these are you build in a such a way that for next 50 years nothing will be there, means no damage will be there for that roads and other things or that infrastructure, and the toll will be there for next 2 3 decades, 20 30 years. Then whatever next 20 30 to 10 20 years are remaining, these are the possible concession to the public sector. Okay, that means generalized public. BOT projects are normally large scale infrastructure projects that could be financed by government or from certain companies and generate the revenue. Okay, so if you want some key that key way of projects, then whatever the right now that very good point is going in the China Belt Road, One Belt One Road in Pakistan. That is BOT type thing. So remaining next 50 years and other things. Okay, so BOT model construct the public construct through public private partnership. These are large scale models, and whatever the government provides concession, and project will be operated for next 20 30 years, hoping they can earn the profit. And after that 20 30 years, the project can be returned to the public. Okay, and whatever the commission is granted, that may be given to the government. So this is some positive things about BOT model. If we go to the negative side of BOT model, so not all good vendors will agree to BOT, minimize the selection. So some vendors, they are wanted to uh, more profit. Okay, they wanted to earn more profit. So some vendors, there may be the possibility that they can not behaving in good manner. It is provided that has different agenda than the customer. So we are talking about this, that they are not looking to the public sector or customer, but they are having different agenda that they can earn the more profit and other things. And price tags for the transfer phase will be high. The vendor lose its golden age chicken. So all of you are knowing that story, that golden egg chicken. The farmer is having that golden egg chicken, and daily he is getting one golden egg, but due to more profit, he cut that golden egg chicken and he found nothing, and he lost that golden egg, whatever daily he is getting. So like this, when transfer phase is there, at that time, government has put very high prices for transferring the phase or that vendor, and whatever the daily earning is there or monthly earning is there, that is called golden eggs, so that may be lost by the vendors. Okay, suppose in previous example, if per month 1 crore rupees is collected, 1 crore 10 lakh, 1 crore 20 lakh, at the time of transfer government put more price, and if that much number of vehicles are not passed on that road, then there may be the loss. Okay, so that's why it is written the price tag for the transfer phase will be high. High risk during transfer phase. There is very high risk. So what is meant by risk in general? How much money we are investing and how much return we are getting. If that proportion is there, and chances of the not getting money back is called risk. Okay, so there is very high risk is there. Operational risk is there in that, facilities, administration, and legal. Already we discussed it because of some political party or local quarrel. Many times that toll booths were burned, etc. Whatnot. Many times we are not finding suitable people who can work on toll booth, or they are not reliable, they are not honest, they are not providing depositing all money, they are using that money like that. Operational risk may be there. HR retention work. Okay, so every whatever the things are there, that things should be very very good legally way, then it can be easy. But corruption is there, and due to that, working risk, operational risk, then cost risk, everything will be high. And these things are represent the negative part. Many times that government want that it should be finished within 30 years, but vendor want it should be continue up to further 10 years, further 5 years. So like this things are there. So legal things maybe come into the picture, that revenue of generation and whatever other things are there, whatever other things are difficult, that are also come into the picture, and that may be consider the different aspect of this beauty model. So whatever this particular important part is there of this BOT, if we look at the positive sides, it is very, very well. It is public sector and private sector and public sector jointly operated things are there, and ultimate concession or ultimate benefit is to public sector only. But due to certain misunderstanding, certain misbehavior, it may be considered, or it may be having certain disadvantage. So these all are the BOT model. with advantages and disadvantages.